make a formal announcement. So yes, it looks very, very awkward that you have to say the same thing all over again. Good evening, everyone. Good to have you all. I'm Gaurav Yadav. For the benefit of all who are joining me for the first time, this is something which is under IP, and I've been doing for now past 4 years. And I'm really, really thankful to people who've been part of this journey along with me. When I say journey, as in school leaders who believed in the idea of the work of IPN. We treaded difficult phases. I had to, a lot of the time, answer these questions. Since you are not a principal, how do you run a principal network, right? So that's a $1 million question. I keep saying to this that when a prime minister of a country can be a chaiwala, and a non-principal can be a head of a principal, right? A network, right? Doesn't matter much for that matter. So having said this, those are answers I have already taken up. So don't worry about it. I'm cheeky enough to answer those questions. So I've done that difficult road. I have walked that difficult road already. So I don't have to convince anyone for anything, because your work talks for yourself, or your intentions matter a lot. Having said this, we are a 5,000 group network now, and we take pride in saying that people, you all have made this network strong. Thank you very much for believing in all of us. Obviously, past 70 days have been very difficult for all of us, not just individually, but as a country or as a world. We all know that, for that matter. That's now more of a cliche now. Everyone is bored of hearing that yes, we are in problem. But then sometimes you have to say some things which are repetitive in nature, but then that's the reality of it, right? So 70 days under IPN, we've been trying to help school leaders, if I may say, if the learning process remains intact, that no matter what we are encountering, let's take it head on, for that matter, right? So I'm very, very happy to share that the IPN Knowledge Series is now almost 40-50 sessions old. So we can call ourselves a little pro in this. We know how the drill happens, right? So we know how this happens. So basically, in any session of ours, we usually try to bring in an expert. So broadly, we have 3 set of sessions we have been doing. So one is under the leadership series, which is called IPN Leadership Series. We are getting guests which are very distinguished leaders, which we have done yesterday or day before yesterday. We had General Kulkarni with us from Mayo College of Ajmer. Okay, then we usually have a session for our teachers as well. That is something we put under IPN Masterclass as a series. So tomorrow there's a session for all your teachers. So please do send in your teachers to take part in it. Wonderful session coming tomorrow as well by Rajshri, one of the resources within IPN fold. Wonderful resource person. So I personally feel do send in your teachers in numbers. The third is that we also bring in a lot of experts with us who have a very demonstrative work behind them on whatever their chosen field is. So if you look at it, the way we are actually structuring the IPN Voyage, also I'm just taking over one example, though nothing to do with this session, is that we are actually getting an arts teacher who won a global award. So when we usually listen to awardees or a national player for any award, you will be surprised that they are usually from the technological background or the new innovation carried out, for that matter. But when I heard about this lady Andira, who will be with us on the voyage, she's actually an arts teacher. So winning a global coveted award, which is GTA Global Teachers Award, being an arts teacher, to me is a big deal, honestly. You have to mitigate a lot of stereotypes. There are a lot of stereotypes in arts. Kya hota hai, arts is a bad subject, वगैरह वगैरह. ठीक है ना? So I think we will be listening to her, Indira, when she will be with us during the 27th and the 20th program. But today is an important day. And as I said, I have with us a very young, if I may say, she looks very young. She has a young daughter, which is a 10-month-old daughter, and she's an IIT graduate. IIT usually in India associates with quality, if I may say, nothing more than that. That's the least I can say about IIT. I have never went to an IIT, so I can always say that we get enamored by the term IIT. Okay, and Indians have this enamored thing. We get enamored by IIT, and if that is less to prove, she also went to one of the top 5 Ivy colleges, that is Kellogg School of Business in Chicago. So and honestly, I shared this reservation that I'm very skeptical how we will do this. You have to be really very good, Bhanu. You'll have to be very, very good at your game. So she said, Gaurav, why are you underestimating me? So I said, no, I'm not underestimating you. By the looks of it, you look so young. how will you manage these principals? They are very tough guys. So I already made her a little nervous. But having said this, she is very, very astute, I would say, technology. I think whatever I've little spoken to her, I found her to be very, very erudite in her approach. So I'll quickly welcome Bhanu. She has a very interesting word. Bhanu Vadiparthi, right? If that's right, Bhanu?
Yes, yes.
You're there with us, right? So
Yes.
she's around. So
Hello, everyone.
here is Bhanu. Looks very young, right? Looks like a college-going girl to me.
Thanks for the compliment.
So Bhanu, thank you for joining in firstly. And obviously, while we were working on this topic of today's discussion, we had our own set of debate that Gaurav, you should do a virtual classes or whatever. I mean, she had her own set of opinions about it. But I said, honestly, I think immersive learning will attract more of an interest from our audience, if I may say, right? So here we are. So I will be taking the first half with Bhanu, as I have mentioned earlier to all of you, that I will be asking few questions which I have been able to work out. These are very, very layman questions. As I said, I myself do not know much about immersive learning. So I will let Bhanu do the expert talking for us. And that will be for the initial 20 odd minutes, that's it. And then we will straight dive into your Q&As largely, because that's for us is a more important part. So I will now, so welcome Bhanu. As I said, once again, you already have said a hi to you. So my first question to you, Bhanu, is, would you take us to a little concept of immersive learning in a very, very elementary level, or just make us understand what is immersive learning as per, so from your side of understanding, if I may say. Yeah.
Okay. So I think with that, I'll also start with a little story, from my childhood, right? Like as we were learning, I had a lot of my friends read Nancy Drews and the Hardy Boys, and they were like so engrossed. They would not put down the book. Like you have an exam tomorrow, but you still keep on going, right?
Correct.
That's what really is immersive learning, right? You are
Correct.
engrossed in something that you forget everything around you to make time for learning, right?
Correct.
Keep at it, right? And
Correct.
learning is so natural because you are in it, and you are doing it because you are enjoying it, right? It's
Correct.
more than putting in time. Hey, 6 to 7 is your homework time, 7 to 8 is your learning time. You really have to learn, especially these coaching institutions, right? When you prepare for IIT, you have morning 4 a.m. You have to get up at 4 a.m. and start studying. So that is controlled learning, right? Like systematic learning, right? What is immersive learning is where you're natural at it, you're
Okay.
immersed in it,
Okay.
and learning is an outcome of the this one, but not the process, right? The
Correct.
goal is not learning is an outcome of the situation or the exercise that you're doing. That's
Correct.
what in my terms is immersive learning.
Correct.
And that's what drove me to find the sweet spot of immersive learning for today's kids.
Correct. Fair, fair. So, in fact, while we say about, so in fact, let me give you a classic example. When you want to be a fighter pilot, I'm sure this is a sort of a reference I'm drawing from a friend of mine who actually wanted to be a fighter pilot, and he's one right now. But one of the times when we were discussing that, initially he failed the last test which a fighter pilot has to give. And I'll tell you what that, and this will benefit all of us, in fact, here, is that it's named something which I don't remember, but in that you are actually given a simulation, which is about you are actually have to sit on a cockpit, and you are giving everything which a fighter pilot has to do when he's flying a fighter jet, for that matter. And that is actually the deciding factor of any fighter pilot getting eventually selected in that, because there you are making decision in a split of a second, for that matter, or even under that second, right? So is that a sort of if I may say, ask you, those sort of a simulation are part of immersive learning? Is that a fair example to make, if I may say? Is that?
Yeah, definitely, right? See, those simulators that you're talking about, they are designed to mimic the real life situations.
Correct.
Right? In a real life situation, your adrenaline is flowing, right? You really have to save your plane and your
Correct.
life, and then you are fighting with the in the battle, right? So
Correct.
these situations, these simulators are made to create or mimic such situations.
Okay.
And they are definitely one example of it, right? Even like that is something a critical, right? You can't really put a fighter who's not trained in a situation, right? Before you even judge whether he's a good fighter, you can't
Correct.
really put him in
Correct.
a
Absolutely.
actual fight, right?
Absolutely.
But to a
Absolutely.
large extent, even in everyday's world, right, when you really look at today's kids, they're playing on Xbox, they're playing the games you even talked about, Mario and
Contra.
Counter, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Contra, right? That you
Yeah.
were
Yeah.
talking about. Now
Correct.
PUBG, I hear kids these days are really big into PUBG. I have not
Yes.
really, I've downloaded the app to see what it is, but it was too much of violence for me.
Correct.
But
Correct.
yeah,
Correct.
the people actually build houses, build factories, like it's a virtual world, right?
Okay.
You're really
Okay.
immersed in it, right? So
Okay.
yeah, we are seeing immersive learning at different aspects, and games are first thing, one thing that have really mimicked immersive learning for kids, right?
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Then, in fact, I think you brought a good point about, because PUBG became a major nuisance for parents and for the teaching community. In fact, if I may say, it was a major nuisance for the fact, not about the technological aspect of it, but what it was doing through technology, which was the violence piece of it, largely, or the
Yeah.
sort of a task that one has to do. Okay. Fair, fair. So now, if we have to bring that into the education fold, uh, Manu, that is the
Yeah.
real question. So basically, I'm sure everyone here on the forum today is largely wanting to say its application, or if I may say, obviously this is no way a debate wherein it will replace all that. That's a very, very novice sort of a discussion. But I want to say, how do you seamlessly integrate this into a, say, education fold of ours? Example, say our education, knowing our education system, you know that
Yeah.
IITs are far more, if I may say, different sort of an institution. But if I have to go to say a typical like a Lucknow as a town, how this is playing out, if I may say, for that matter.
Yeah. So I think, making learning immersive has started long ago, right? I'm not
Okay,
inventing that concept.
correct,
And one
correct.
way that we were doing this is with labs, lab
Okay,
experiments,
okay,
models that teachers used to get,
okay,
right? Those
okay.
were the aids that teachers were using and schools were using to actually make learning immersive.
Uh-huh.
And but these things have physical constraints, and they require really investment upfront, right? To
Uh-huh.
buy a model, say as class caters to 40 people, but you really want models for math, science and other subjects, it's an
Correct,
expensive proposition for any school.
correct.
And these physical ones have a life, right? You can max use it for 1 year, 2 year, not everybody can get hands on it.
Uh-huh.
So those are constraints, right? Even when I went to IIT, there was one electrical engineering lab, right?
Okay.
Weekly once we would go, right? There are
Mm-hmm.
600 students. IITs are in fact fortunate to have the resources, right?
Mm-hmm. Correct.
And still, even in that case, there was one electrical engineering lab, and everybody would have like an hour in that lab, right? Now what
Okay.
will happen in that, right? You don't know what you're going to get in the lab. You're really worried, right?
Mm-hmm.
Half the time you are more engrossed in outcome of the thing rather than enjoying the experience of the lab, trying to learn, right? It was
Correct.
more about, hey, how many marks am I going to get? Am I going to remember the experiment? Am I going to really get it right? So these are the questions that used to run in my mind, right?
Okay.
Now how do you solve these problems really, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So one way, what when we did research, one way we realized is technology is a great way, to solve
Mm-hmm.
this problem and give
Mm-hmm.
that in everybody's hand, right? To really
Mm-hmm.
democratize learning, right?
Mm-hmm.
You
Mm-hmm.
and the price point of the technology should not be really high, right? Every
Correct.
student in India should be able to get their hands on into this technology, right?
Correct.
So
Correct.
that was the goal in terms of looking at learning, right? So how do you really use technology and this
Mm-hmm.
concept of immersive learning, combine both of them to create something for everyday kids, right?
Okay.
So that
Okay.
is what we came up with. And when we came up with this concept, we used something called reality technologies.
Okay.
And what we see as a part of immersive learning, right? They're
Mm-hmm.
really like say four parts of immersive learning in our
Mm-hmm.
way, right?
Okay.
One is videos, right?
Okay.
Like videos that stimulate your imagination, stimulate your understanding of concepts,
Okay.
right? Once
Okay.
you've understood a concept, then you take that into an experiment, right?
Okay.
That's what we used to do. Take a learning into our lab,
Okay.
right? So that is where we have introduced this concept of simulations. That what we are
Okay.
talking about, a simulator, right? We're
Correct.
really making simulations for every kid, every
Okay.
experiment, right, in the lab. Like for example, say salt, mixing salt in water. That's an experiment that we do, and at some point, the salt becomes so much that it doesn't dissolve in water, right? But and the teacher tells you that, hey, go home, do this experiment, and I'm sure most of the people here would have done this experiment at home, mix so much salt and water that it doesn't mix anymore, right?
Correct.
So that is something, because it was easily available. You have salt, you have water at home, right? But not say you want to find how electron was discovered. You can't do that experiment at home.
Correct.
Really, right?
Correct.
So we are trying to bring all those experiments into life with simulations.
Okay.
Right? Now that you have this, how do we really take it to next level? Right? That's where augmented reality comes into play, right? So these are the key parts of it. The fourth part that ties everything together is testing your conceptual understanding. Hey, did I really understood what I went through?
Correct.
Or or I just have to revise it, right? How do you know that, right? So that's where the whole assessment piece, or like some amount of conceptual testing, right? True or false, right?
Correct.
Match the following. That sort of a conceptual testing comes into play to tie all of this. Maybe if you guys are interested, I'd like to show some of these so that you'll get understand.
Please.
What
In fact,
we're
I was
talking
about to come. That was my fundamental question. What can you show an example to us? Example one is saying that if we can see it, we can understand a little more better, I'd say. Yeah. So I can share my screen if you want to. I think I have already made you a co-host. So
okay, I'll share my screen so that we can
surely,
start
if you can,
projecting.
yeah.
Okay, so the first part I'm going to show is a video, right? A video of the concepts. Again, this is like a dub mash. I mixed multiple videos to kind of give you the best experience. So I'm going to show you math because that's the hardest subject for most kids around. And I think you'll be able to enjoy this video a little bit. Any questions? Feel free to stop me.
Sure.
Can you see the screen?
Yeah. Your screen is visible. Yeah.
Yeah. So when you see this, right, what we're trying to do is take examples, really.
Correct.
How is a bridge made, right? Like we're taking examples from math to explain these concepts, and we're showing really we can't get a bridge to the classroom, but we can take a video of a bridge to the classroom, right?
So technically, you are showing the application of it largely, or the maths.
Yeah.
Of it, right?
Yeah.
Nice.
So like I said, these are like amalgamation of videos. The actual video also has an example and then explain the concept.
Correct.
Most of these videos are just like under 5 minutes to keep the attention of the latest kids, right?
Correct.
These days kids, you really can't get them to stay an hour like what we used to, and
Correct.
maybe wait all day, all evening, right, to watch
Correct.
like one episode on Doordarshan. These days kids are not like that. They're used to on-demand content, right? Play
Correct.
anytime, pause anytime, watch whenever you want. That's the
This is
generation.
interesting. I like this one because I have seen a lot of stuff, but I've possibly not seen this way. Nice.
Yeah. Okay, so let me show you another concept, right? This is math. We have videos for every other topic that you can think of between 6 to 12 for math and science, right? So the entire library covers more than 3,000 videos. So the other one that I want to show you is a simulation. Can you see the simulation?
Yeah,
can you see the screen?
It is coming through on your screen. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is what is called a simulation, right? The idea is, it's like a model. You see, right? I am actually shifting it, turning it. This is where you understand brain, right?
Okay.
This is one
Okay.
part of the simulation, right? This
Okay.
is slightly for higher classes, where they really know what they want to study and they're kind of studying, right? So for example, tooth, right? This is what it is. You want to see, right? I mean, how will you really know what the tooth is when you go back and look at the pictures on the books, especially the CBSE books? You have these black and white pictures, and you really don't know what part is what.
Correct.
And so another example, right? So let me show you. Yeah. So the other example, what we tried to do was we tried to replicate everything that a child studies into these simulations and models, right? That's what we're trying to do. So here is a microscope. We talk to younger kids about microscopes, right? Like, and I remember to have studied the parts of a microscope and really not know what exactly a microscope is.
Correct.
How it all fits together, right?
Correct.
See, in our this one, you can actually piece all of these concepts out and then see each part, right? That's what a simulation is supposed to do. Yeah, right. So the other thing that I'd like to show is right, see the plant, right? I don't know how many of us really are getting to see like eucalyptus leaves. I had this science experiment when I was in 9th class where I had to collect different types of leaves, stick it in a book, and then submit as a project.
I have also done that.
Right? Most of us have done that, right? But see, we all live in these apartment cities, apartment complexes and stuff. Where are we really seeing that many plants today? I'm not sure, right? Like for most of the things when I was a kid, you had to just go in the neighborhood and collect some of them, right? Here, there's not much of an opportunity. When I was working in the States, what schools do there, they take students on field trip to show hens and cows, right? Like, which again, in India, you are fortunate to have hens, cows in like every other street, so that kids don't have to do these lab experiments to actually go to a picnic or a field trip to see hens and cows. But that's what the situation is nowadays, right? And especially with the lockdown, we are even constrained further.
So basically, my question, just a quick question, Bhanu, here would be that this is for neutral to any subject, concepts of anything under the sun. Is that the way it is? So, I mean, I'm asking you this very, very elementary question, but then example, if I have to say talk about any, so example, if I'm until what grade are these largely, if I may ask you, which grade onward it is or for what grade it is largely?
Yeah. Right. See, what we cater to is concepts between 6th to 12th classes. That's where we have content as of now. But yeah, come December, we'll have for lower grades as well. Right. The reason we started with higher grades is because, most of these higher grade kids don't have something that's available freely. Right. But for lower grades, for example, you want to talk about available, right, on YouTubes and Play Stores and stuff, right? For higher grades is where you really need something that's the immediate need, right? So that's where we started with 6 to 12, but yeah, we'll go lower in another few months.
No, so my question was that would you say example have something for say arts students? Will that be there?
Yeah. So see, right now we are only catering to math and science topics, right? We will expand to other subjects. The reason is, art and science, especially arts and English, right? You really are catering, you want them to dream, you want them to imagine, right? That's the goal of these subjects also, right? Your sciences and math, there are concepts that you want
more of
them
an
to
experimentation led, I would say.
Exactly.
Yes, correct.
Right. So we didn't want to start off with something, say, a man and a tiger, right? There was a story that I read in my English book. There was no ending to that story. The exercise was you have to imagine the ending, right? We really don't want to put a video out there and curtail the child's imagination.
Correct.
Right? You want them to dream as much as they can, right? So that is why we started with math and science, where we are giving them concepts, right? And these are like universal laws. There's nothing much, you really have to understand these to even imagine beyond this, right?
Okay. So for now, you're saying that possibly you'll graduate to an art subject, or possibly for that matter. Right now, it is maths and science. You're saying that's what you're saying.
Yes, yes. Okay, so on my screen, if you can see these fishes and stuff, crane and fishes. Okay, so this is for lower grades. What we did was, we are trying to create some sort of games, right? This is algae. This is like a producer. This is the primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer, and then you like enter the level, right? Like, so basically you, yeah. So you click and then you proceed to level 2, right? So some of these things, it's more like a game, right? Hey, you are like, you guide them, the fish eats algae and then it becomes bigger, that sort of a game, right? So it's quite interesting. Like the idea is they learn as much as they can by playing these games, right? So kids are very interested in these games.
Okay.
So this is what we have slightly for lower classes. When you saw those simulations, they're slightly for 10th 11th and 12th, where the goal is let's prepare for exams.
Okay.
Right, let's get the best of the time, right? 6th 7th 8th is where they have a lot of time, they want to spend, they want to have fun, at the same time learn something, right? That's where we created and designed these concepts in a game format for them to explain. This explains the entire food chain.
Correct.
Right.
Okay.
So yeah, so this is it, and I'll show you, like if you allow me, I'll show you something else. Are you guys finding it interesting, or how is it going?
No, so I mean, you could have got a lot of responses, but having said that, I muted everyone. So once we are done with this, we'll possibly open up for the Q&A. So you may have a lot of questions during that, and I can let me throw it to you a fundamental question, which will come from all of our leaders will be largely that what is right now. So something which, say example, you have to tailor make a say offer for the IPN members for that matter.
Sure. We'll get to that. I want to show you one interesting thing. See, this is the experiment for the capacitor, right? This is really the lab, and you know what I did? This is the floor of my house actually.
Okay.
Right. This is how this is called augmented reality. You can project the experiment. You can do a digital lab.
Okay.
Right. So you really, especially in these times, right? We can't get all the children to labs also. Even if the schools have labs, we can't get them, right? This is what comes into picture, right? These are the places where teacher can actually teach experiments. You can see, right? So this is where you point the device to the ground, you actually scan the ground, and this is the technology that we created.
Okay. Right? Impressive.
So this is another example. I put it on my website. This is again the floor of my house. I was the one doing it. See, this is the periodic table. Right? You just want to study electronegativity in the periodic table. So see, look at all the objects, right? You can expand. You can check. You can check what's the electron structure for each of them. So yeah, quite interesting stuff.
Yeah, this is interesting. Absolutely. And so can I ask you a fundamental question, which is this on a device led? What is the technological requirement for this? What is exactly? So if I may, again, as I said, I told you there's a challenge with our teachers that 90% of them are teaching on a mobile handset. All these are the practical technological challenges as well. So I hope these are the things which you have taken care of while you guys have put this together as a product. What is your play on the technology side?
Yeah. Okay. See, like when I was coming back from the US, right, the goal was to create something that everybody can use it.
Okay.
Right. And considering in India, right, like I don't know if you've seen the picture, a teacher was really hanging the phone through a hanger and then teaching, right?
Viral, yes.
Yeah, that is the kind of, if I may say, jugaad that we do to really get by in a day, right? So we want to cater to this public, right? And we want every school and every teacher to benefit. See, what we have is a teaching aid. We are not replacing teachers. Teacher is the hero of the classroom, and teacher is the god, right? I still very fondly remember my math teacher, right, because of whom I got into IIT and so on, right? We want every kid to remember their teachers, but how do you really make our current teachers even better, right? Well adjusted to these moving technology times, right? That's where our tools come into play. That's what we are trying to give. And the goal is, not to sell schools any hardware. We want them to use all the infrastructure that they currently have, be it the computer labs, be it their phones, see all the videos. If you're able to play YouTube on your phone, videos play on your phone, right? The simulations play on your phone if you're able to play YouTube on your phone, right? So augmented reality is the one where you need, like, if you want to scan the ground, you need latest phone. But if you don't want to scan the ground, we'll give you a piece of paper, please print it, and then you can start using it.
I don't want to be a spoil sport, but usually I am. So, everyone is saying so much of screen time, whatever, right? There is a Karnataka government which is coming up and saying, 5वीं कक्षा तक बच्चों को पढ़ाइए नहीं laptop, जो भी recording नहीं दीजिए.
Yeah.
So as I said, I want to make this conversation as real as possible because we do not want to make this a superficial affair.
Yeah.
So that though it's a very, I may give you a counter rationale to it as well, which is that's more of a habit of your usage. I mean, that's nothing to do with technology is coming by itself and saying कि मुझे आप देखिए, वो जो आप देखना चाहते हैं जब भी देखते हैं, for that matter, right? So having said this, though it's a very, very habit-led thing, or because see, young kids usually get submerged into it. They get, I personally feel they get a little addicted about it, for that matter, right?
Yeah.
So my point is, while you at one level you have very aptly mentioned that this is a tool in the hand of a teacher as well. Can you elaborate on that example? Will your venture or whatever you guys are doing, will they be enabling the teachers in the dispatch process largely?
See, there are two aspects to it, right? One is how do you enable teachers, make them more efficient and make them stimulate the imagination of a kid.
Correct.
Right?
Exactly.
Like explain the concept in the best possible way.
Exactly.
Right? That's where these are teaching tools come into play, right?
Correct.
And the other aspect is for the students, right?
Yeah.
If they want to study at home, if they want to see, one thing is they're at school, they're learning from the teacher, right?
Correct.
If they want to go home, study at home, then the whole student aspect comes into play, right?
True.
So again, like teaching tools, this is what it is. Teacher gets an app, they can kind of go ahead, use the product in their daily teaching routine. They can interact with the kid. So there are a bunch of features that we've added, considering all the requests that we've got from teachers across the board. So that's what we've made our product, right? On the other aspect, right, like the student aspect, right? See, again, two parts to your question, right? Technology, it is, I concur with you, depends on what student wants to study and how they want to study. It's definitely up to them, right? We're just making things interesting. We're making them, more lively, right? More stimulating, right? That being said, see, one thing we have to really understand is that we are in a technological era, right? You really, you really cannot do away with technology, right? Laptops, phones are here, they're going to stay, right? Now the question is, how do you prepare your students better in this world, right? IIT is online now. In maybe a year or two, NEET will be online. Now if COVID continues, everything will be online, right?
Correct.
And as it looks like it's going to be here for around a year, right, at least. So
don't say that.
Yeah, that's what I really don't want it to be, but so the thing is, you have to prepare, like every school has to prepare their kids better, right? You don't want to send a kid who is really not able to switch on a computer, right? Who doesn't know, right? How to write a test online, right? If your schools are not going to prepare kids, who is going to prepare kids? Are we expecting that parents will do it? Like, we have to see, the thing is, I would say we have to embrace technology, but in a positive way, right? How do you really, take this technology, prepare your kids better, but at the same time, don't make them a slave of technology, right? You have to let them control the technology, right? It should be about their will.
So I think that's what I said, basically, that because it's for someone who have to make a very judicious call on the screen time, all that, and I mentioned that's more of a habit pattern of an individual. That's to do with largely many other factors. So there is no role of, if I may say, that I have to be disciplinarian in order to get that going for that. That's more of a habit pattern, if I may say, right? So I'm with you on that. What I meant was, in fact, my question was a little different. My question was, so while we know that these are things available, at the same time, my teacher, as I said, I keep bringing back this to a teacher, that a teacher has to be the conduit to this entire process, right? So are we saying that, because understand, a student will pick up every technology very quickly because they are what we call them digital natives, all that, right? They are in this era. They do not need to be taught anything for that matter.
Yeah.
What I've usually seen is that there's a lot of reservation which comes from the side of a person who is adopting it for the first time. So which is example a teacher. Now, either a teacher becomes or looks smarter with this technology, or he or she becomes a complete fool in front of a student. Please understand this. My point is that eventual goal is to make the teacher look smarter in front of a kid. That's our all aim. Everyone is aiming for that. Every product or any for that matter is aiming for that. So my point is that are we going to invest our energies, our resources? So tomorrow example, we can do this jointly as well, as I said. So I'm looking at answers from your side that can practically with us, which is IP, and I think your company is practically, which can go ahead and say that let's try to train 10,000 teachers, okay? And through the aid or services which you have. Because by the time, honestly, Bhanu, we don't do that, my personal feeling is that there will be a lot of roadblocks you will encounter. Right? So I will like to sum up this and I will open this up for an entire audience after you have answered it, that I keep saying this into one very simple sentence of mine, which is a student want to listen now is A for AI, and our teacher is teaching A for Apple. I have always said this and I hold so much relevance in this sentence that हमारे को ये परिभाषा को change करना पड़ेगा. तो उसमें मतलब मेरा मानना है वो invest करना पड़ेगा हमें आपको और बहुत लोगों को अपने आप को in terms of training these teachers. Right? So over to you, and then we will open up the house for the Q&A largely.
Okay. Yeah, Gaurav. I mean, rightly said. I think the mission is to train teachers, right? Make them technologically more comfortable, right? Even like why are we like, you know, lot of these Zoom or teaching tools, right? Zoom is again a conferencing solution. The way teachers are adopting, abhi hum kya kar rahe hain, right? We are actually putting a camera and writing on the board. That is not the typical usage pattern, right? But kisne teachers ko train kiya hai? Right? Nobody is there to really teach it, make them, you know, next generation, right? We really, if we as a country, if we want to move forward, we have to invest or we have to put in that time into doing this.
Correct.
Right? That is something that, you know, I think we
so
have.
But the question is that are we committed to that? That's what I'm saying. We all know that's a problem. We have to be committed about it, right? So IPN is, and obviously we'll pull you in on the technology side because you have a great tool, by the way. You have a wonderful tool. So I'm saying that because it will be a mutually symbiotic relationship, I think you'll have to. So I think you got the point there. So anything else you want to take? Otherwise, I'll open up this for the Q&A largely.
Sure. And Gaurav, you asked me, you know, what is the special offer or what is it for IPN
because see,
members?
Important, very important, absolutely very important. Because I'll tell you, usually the way we work out this is largely is that whatever it is in the market, which is already there for that matter, but then what is so special about, say, IPN leaders, if I would say. So I told you about one of our association with Acer. They had to come up with very, very unique thing for us, our leadership for that matter, and people are taking benefit out of it. So having said this, what can we do for IPN exclusively will be a wonderful thing.
Sure. And Gaurav, to your point, right, earlier you were talking about, you know, how schools are really struggling at this point, how teachers are, you know, struggling at this point, how much schools have to cut down. See, considering all that, right, and considering this time, one thing that we want to offer all IPN associated schools, right, they can onboard and use our product free of cost in their teaching, right? Like we typically charge 1 lakh a classroom, but we don't want to charge any school anything at this point. We want to give the product entire year free because we don't know when the COVID will end. It's not going to be like a half a month, 1 month, 2 months here and there. And to your point, right, we are very committed to training the teachers. We will work with IPN to train all of these teachers.
That's a more important point for me.
And if they want to, you know, offer this in their schools, and like most of the principals, quite a lot of them are here. And if there are any more teachers also, let's ask them to sign up, and then let's put together a plan in place. Let's start training all of these teachers that, you know, teaching with tools becomes, you know, very easy.
Correct. No, as I said, I think your product, I saw it for the first time. The tools are very good, obviously. But as I said, the entire conduit is not about you and I appreciating it. Teachers need to appreciate this. Our teachers need to love this. They have to adopt it, to be very honest with you. Okay, so I think we have done our bit of monologue now. I'm opening up the house for a Q&A, ladies and gentlemen. So leaders, I'm just putting this from this to this. Now, all of you are populated on the screen now. So what I'm going to do is, obviously, I will unmute you all, but I will mute you back with an option that you can unmute yourself for a question. Okay? Right now, you cannot unmute yourself because I have disabled you on that front. But now I'm going to unmute and mute again, but with an enabling option that you can actually unmute and ask a question. Okay, anyone with a question? And if you have a question, we will be happy. And
Arora ji.
Madhuri Arora.
यही हुआ होगा.
Madhuri ji, अब आपको अपने आप को unmute करना होगा, but I think you have unmuted yourself. Please go ahead and ask your question, ma'am.
Good evening, sir, and good evening, ma'am. Ma'am, you have talked about two aspects, like student aspect, and same time you have talked about the teacher's point of view, ki how this process will help us. But there is one third most important aspect, that is parents' point of view. Really, in small town, most of the schools are struggling with convincing the parents regarding fee, and we are but parents को समझाना बहुत difficult लग रहा है कि हम आपके बच्चे को पढ़ा रहे हैं. So I think we want to know about the third aspect, how we can convince the parents they should also be connected with this, कि उनको भी पता चले कि उनका बच्चा पढ़ रहा है, how teachers are putting their efforts in this difficult time. I just wanted to have your point of view on this, sir.
मैम पेरेंट ना आज मतलब जहाँ पे भी लाइक यू नो हम लोग हैं राइट, पेरेंट्स आर वेरी कॉम्पिटिटिव. उनको चाहिए कि उनके बच्चे पढ़े, राइट. वो पैसे देने के लिए तैयार रहते हैं, बट उनको प्रूफ चाहिए कि बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं, बच्चे कर रहे हैं कुछ, राइट. एंड उनको चाहिए कि स्कूल्स इसमें इन्वेस्टेड है, राइट. हमारे टूल में एक असेसमेंट्स है, राइट. असेसमेंट में ये होता है कि आप अगर बच्चे को असेसमेंट देते हैं, मान लीजिएगा, राइट, उसको मैं अभी वो दिखा भी सकती हूँ अगर आपके पास टाइम है तो. फिर अगर वो बच्चे को असेसमेंट्स देते हैं, बच्चा असेसमेंट लेता है, आपको इमीडिएटली रिजल्ट पता चलेगा. वो रिजल्ट हम आपको एबिलिटी देते हैं, आप पेरेंट्स को पोस्ट कर दीजिएगा, राइट, कि आपके बच्चे का वीकली परफॉर्मेंस ये है, राइट. आपका बच्चा ये सब्जेक्ट में ठीक है, आपका बच्चा ये सब्जेक्ट में स्ट्रांग नहीं है, राइट. उस सेंस में आप अगर हर वीक एक रिलेशनशिप डेवलप होता है पेरेंट्स से, राइट, कि हर वीक स्कूल से आ रहे हैं कि बच्चा 2 दिन हमारे पास वर्चुअल प्लेटफॉर्म इसमें है. उसमें क्या होता है कि अगर 2-3 दिन बच्चा स्कूल में नहीं दिखता है, क्लास में नहीं दिखता है, ऑटोमेटिकली पेरेंट को एक मैसेज जाता है, आपका बच्चा 2 दिन नहीं आया क्लास में, ऑनलाइन क्लास में, आप मतलब सब ठीक है, आप टीचर से कांटेक्ट कीजिएगा. वो सर्विस भी हम देते हैं. मतलब we are not charging anything for that. We actually do that on behalf of a school if the school wants us.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. And any other questions? So I'll just quickly indicate you how we can take up the question is that either you have say a thumbs up, which is rare, or you can have a show of hand, or for that matter. So I will just quickly come to Bhanu, which question which you were actually reiterating, which is that now for our teachers bid example, what is usually the modus operandi you people follow in terms of teacher training module example? So do you have I would say not just a session, because that would not really help. I personally, is there a module, say, which is 3 session, 4 session, 6 session basically, so on a weekend or on a weekday? How do you usually you guys do it for that matter?
Yeah, so typically we have been training teachers on an ongoing basis, right? But I think, Gaurav, I really like the plan. Let's just put together a session, right, for a weekend, like 3 sessions this weekend, right? Let's train a lot of teachers and let them experience the product, and then come back with questions in the next session, right? So it can be opt-in session like what you're doing right now, where we will do a hands-on session, right? I will be showing something, every teacher in their computer or at their home or on their phone will be doing the same thing, right? वो एक one-on-one, मतलब वो एक experiential session कर सकते हैं teachers के साथ. We can put together that program and we can start for IPN specific schools.
That's what I was coming at, कि अगर हम एक से मान लीजिए हमने एक say a 4-week module prepare कर लिया, आपको मालूम है कि हम पहले सेशन में क्या कर रहे हैं, और मान लीजिए हमारे पास एक बैच आया, मान लीजिए 500 टीचरों का, मैं एग्जांपल लेके चलता हूँ, हाइपोथेटिकल नंबर, बिकॉज यूजुअली हमारे जब आईपीएन मास्टर क्लास हो रहे हैं उसमें देयर आर टिपिकली 700-800 टीचर्स आर अटेंडिंग इट. तो मैं एक नंबर दे रहा हूँ आपको, एंड सो टिपिकली बट मुझे वो चाहिए कि मुझे उसके अंदर कंसिस्टेंसी चाहिए. सो एक बंदा जो पहले सेशन में था, अगर उसने 4 सेशन कर लिए, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो अपने आप को वाकई में एक लेवल पे पाएगा. अन्यथा वो होता क्या है कि हमने एक आई वॉश वाला सेशन किया, एक सेशन किया और हम गायब हो गए। तो प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है, वो सब आई वॉश होता है सिर्फ, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है, दिस डजंट रियली ऐड एनी वैल्यू टू द एंटायर program, if I may say, right? So I think we'll have to put together a very comprehensive training program. Obviously you guys will have to invest yourself into it for that matter, and so will IPN will invest into that association जिसको बोलते हैं। बट क्योंकि मेरा वही मानना है कि मेन है हमारे टीचरों को इसको अडॉप्ट करना। they have to feel comfortable about it, they have to really look smarter in front of a kid. That is my goal, if I may say, at the IPN level. Any other question? तो ये तो आपने, I think you have already answered. Would you like to any? I mean, were you saying anything, Bhanu? Right?
Yeah. I think Gaurav, we should connect offline and then come together with a program, right?
Okay.
And पहले तो जो भी schools यहाँ पे हैं, अगर वो interested हैं, आप अगर Gaurav जी या you will email me, then we'll put together some list that ये schools interested हैं. And then we can have a detailed discussion and see कि वो schools कौन से teachers को nominate करेंगे, right? Ideally अगर school पूरा interested है, तो फिर I would say every math and science teacher or every teacher we can train, right? It should not be कि यहाँ पे कोई limited
आप ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं। हाँ, मेरे ख्याल से that is also a good suggestion. वो आप वैसा भी कर सकते हैं, but मेरा सिर्फ वही मानना था कि जब मान लीजिए हम लोग अभी क्या करते हैं, मेरा कल मास्टर क्लास है IPN का, तो यूजुअली हम लोग 5 टीचर्स को नॉमिनेट कर लेते हैं स्कूल की तरफ से। 5 schools teacher can come in and basically we'll have that 500-600 का audience and we will then eventually be training with them. But having said this, I think I am open to your idea as well. We can do a hybrid of both, जहां पर आपका एक पर्टिकुलर स्कूल जो कि वाकई में अपने टीचरों को इसके लेवल पे अपग्रेड करना चाहता है, तो they can also possibly work with you. Fair enough.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Okay. I think more or less मैंने आपसे इतने टफ क्वेश्चन भी कर लिए और कहने को आपको सब पूछ लिया कि क्वेश्चंस वैसे कम होने चाहिए, बट अगर हैं तो लेट्स डू दिस, अन्यथा हम लोग अपने आप को टाटा बाय बाय कहते हैं जल्दी से, इसको बोलते हैं, राइट? If you have any question, anyone, do not shy and then have, हाँ आबा जी पूछना चाह रही हैं आप, बोलिए। हाँ बोलिए आबा जी।
Can she just hello everyone and good evening Gaurav ji and Bhanu ji. Bhanu, can you just elaborate on your model, like what is your product actually? It is still not, I'm sorry Gaurav, but yes, I am not able to get it.
Sorry क्या मतलब, और बिल्कुल पूछिए question.
So just have, I just want to have an elaboration of the module, whatever you're talking about. There are certain things which I could understand, but there are still certain things which I'm not able to understand.
Okay, so let me
wanted to have an elaborate.
So let me actually do this, right? Let me share my screen so that you understand it, right? Exactly like जे हमारा website देख रहे हैं मैम, अभी आपको दिख रहा है? So are you a teacher? हाँ, are you a teacher? Yeah. See, this is our product. Okay, I'm showing you the product so that you will know, right? You can actually, this is the product, you can sign up for free, right? It will take you to this. So अभी आप, I'm just logging in so that you can see ये हमारा product है, okay, right? ये तो आपके classes सारे दिख जाएंगे, students कितने enrolled हैं वो दिख जाएगा, right? आप पूरा ये content, हमारा जो content library है, यहाँ पे सारा आपको content library दिखेगा, okay? Calendar दिखेगा, हाँ. So basically it's a web portal, it's an app also, ma'am.
Exactly, that's what I was not actually able to.
अच्छा, okay, ठीक है। और जैसा कि आपने बोला, so I think we came back to, हाँ screen पे आ गए हम लोग। So as you mentioned, Bhanu, which is that this is for 1 year, it is completely free of cost, right?
Yeah, for all IPN schools, 1 year, and
generous
free of cost.
Not bad. Fantastic.
Yeah, and of course, Gaurav, and I have to design a specific offer for your schools, right?
तो आपको अगर हमें redeem करना है, so is it like a coupon? कैसे करेंगे हम इसको? How do we avail this benefit example?
No, I would say that let's both of us work together and like collate the schools that are interested. Okay, then I will get, we want, see, ideally every school is different and every teacher is different, every principal is different, right? We will contact, or my sales team will contact, talk to them, understand their needs, and then onboard them, right? Onboarding sessions हम common रख सकते हैं कि इतने teachers हम लोग ये sessions जो IPN के साथ करेंगे वो कर सकते हैं, but we want to have that discussion with the school and understand them, right? That is when we'll set them up.
That's a fair ask. सत्यकाम स्कूल से कोई बात कर रहा है, आप अपना क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं।
Hello, I'm Anuj Sharma. I am the MD of this school.
अनुज जी नमस्कार, पूछिए।
नमस्कार गौरव जी, कैसे हैं?
बढ़िया हूँ, थैंक यू, पूछिए प्लीज।
I am from Meerut.
जी जी।
Okay, I wish to inquire what will be the renewal fee of the package which ma'am is offering. Means next year, suppose this is free for 1 year. What will be the?
भानु आप बताएंगी, प्लीज आंसर करिए इस चीज को। यस
सर, एक्चुअली ना हम लोग to be honest, I don't have that price.
2 साल के फ्री हो जाएगा।
आप पहले आइए सर, 1 साल यूज कीजिएगा, देखते हैं।
वैसे 1 साल सत्यकाम की लंबा ड्यूरेशन है मेरे ख्याल से, मुझे भी ऐसा लग रहा था ये 2-3 महीने बोलेंगी।
सत्यकाम इंटरनेशनल स्कूल का नाम है, मेरा नाम अनुज शर्मा, मैं आईडी चेंज कर।
अनुज जी, ओके। हाँ, ये आपका एक्चुअली नाम जो है ना सत्यकाम लिख के आ रहा है, बड़ा अच्छा नाम है सत्यकाम भी इसको बोलते हैं, नाइस नेम।
सर आइडियली ना अगर मेरे पास पैसा होगा ना, मैं तो जिंदगी भर इसको फ्री ही रख दूंगी, ट्रस्ट मी। आइडियली मैं तो चाहती हूँ कि हर बच्चा IITian बने और हर बच्चा देश का नाम रोशन करे। एवरीबॉडी कम्स। सो अभी मैं आपको प्राइस तो नहीं बता सकती क्योंकि मैंने सोचा भी नहीं है प्राइस।
कोई बात नहीं,
बट आप जरूर ऑनबोर्ड कीजिएगा, 1 साल बहुत लंबी बात है। जैसे
आप अगली बार आप कुछ भी कहिएगा, हम रहेंगे नेक्स्ट ईयर भी। आपने बात
अग्रवाल जी, विवेक अग्रवाल जी, आपका क्वेश्चन पूछिए। विवेक जी अनम्यूट कर लीजिएगा अपने आप को। हाँ
मिस्टर गौरव, मैम, थैंक यू फॉर द नाइस ऑफर. My just suggestion is we can conduct the classes for the teachers of the members of IPN school as we are conducting master class. So
कर लेते हैं, बिल्कुल, that's a good idea विवेक, करते हैं, बिल्कुल, you're right. मैंने वही बताया ना, देखिए भानु, the master class of IPN is very popular among the IPN members. काफी स्कूल टीचर्स हम लोग ट्रेन कर रहे हैं, तो हम लोग को कहीं ना कहीं उसमें IPN मास्टर क्लास में हम लोग उसको आपके साथ वर्कआउट करके we'll have a discussion offline on it. विवेक करते हैं इसको, करेंगे, आपका इनपुट ठीक है ना?
थैंक यू वेरी मच गौरव भाई।
ज्योति समंता जी, आपका क्वेश्चन, कैन यू प्लीज आस्क योर क्वेश्चन मैम? अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ।
Yeah. Good evening, all of you. This is my second session I have attended. And Gaurav, thank you for encouraging me. I mean, I've been talking to you, and Bhanu, you have given us wonderful inputs. I would just like to ask Bhanu, will the person be available in our schools, or it will be everything online, like? Or do you have anyone in India? And I am from Maharashtra, so is there any representative who will be coming and telling us, or again it will be all online? So then how will it be? How will all? That's I would want to know.
ये फेयर क्वेश्चन, अच्छा क्वेश्चन है आपका ज्योति जी।
थैंक यू
मैम। हमारा सेल्स टीम है, आइडली लाइक सेल्स टीम है, बैंगलोर, दिल्ली में है, काफी सारे सिटीज में है। महाराष्ट्र में अभी हमारे पास इमीडिएटली सेल्स टीम नहीं है, बट हो जाएगा, राइट? अभी तो मैम लाइक बिकॉज ऑफ लॉकडाउन एंड ऑल, जितना सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग है अभी ऑनलाइन करेंगे, राइट? बट यू विल हैव लाइक यू विल नो, राइट, डेडिकेटेड कांटेक्ट कौन है, यू नो, ये सब आप जान पाएंगे, राइट? एंड हमारे पास एक डेडिकेटेड कॉल सेंटर है, आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है यू कैन कॉल देम, और यू कैन ड्रॉप मी और नॉट पर्सनली, आई विल कॉल यू, राइट?
Okay, fine.
So don't worry about that.
So will you be putting all these details on the IPN group, or like personal?
वो मिल जाएगा सोनाली जी, सॉरी ज्योति जी, आपको मिल जाएगा वो, ठीक है?
Okay, thank you so much.
सोनाली मुरली जी, आपका क्वेश्चन आप पूछ लीजिए।
Yeah, my question was very simple. It's about for which age group this material is. Does it start
Very good question.
Middle classes only?
इन्होंने बोला मैम, वैसे तो आंसर किया है, बट आप भानु बता दीजिए एक बार मैम को प्लीज।
या 6th क्लास टू 12th क्लास मैम। अभी हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, लाइक 6th क्लास टू 12th क्लास आप एक्चुअली यू नो ये मटेरियल है अभी के लिए है मैम। दिसंबर के बाद हम बाकी क्लासेस भी एनेबल करेंगे, बट क्योंकि हम जो कंटेंट जनरेट करते हैं ना, इट इज लाइक प्रोड्यूसिंग अ मूवी, राइट? हम हर महीने हम लोग 3 मूवी प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, वो वाला उतना कैपेसिटी के साथ हमारा टीम चलता है, तो थोड़ा सा टाइम टेकिंग है। बिकॉज हम लोग ये नहीं करना चाहते कि हम लोग, आई डोंट वांट टू हैव अ टीचर, हमारा कोई टीचर रख के जैसे बाकी बायजूस या कोई टॉपर कर रहा है, राइट? टीचर रख के उसमें स्कूल्स का क्या फायदा है, राइट? योर टीचर इज द हीरो ऑफ योर क्लास, राइट? सो वी आर डूइंग कंप्लीटली 3D एनिमेशन। जैसे हमारे कंटेंट जो है ना, पिक्सर मूवी, डिज्नी मूवी जैसा है बच्चों के लिए, राइट? दैट इज द एक्सपीरियंस वी वांट टू ब्रिंग। सो इसीलिए थोड़ा सा टाइम टेकिंग है, लोअर क्लासेस के लिए करेंगे, एंड वो शायद नेक्स्ट ईयर करेंगे, लाइक दिसंबर के बाद। एंड अगर वो भी करेंगे मैम, वो भी फ्री रखेंगे, राइट? जो भी कंटेंट है हम फ्री रखेंगे स्कूल्स के लिए 1 साल के लिए।
Vasudha, you were wanted to ask a question?
It's answered. Thanks a lot, Gaurav.
Fantastic. Pia, you want to ask a question? Pia is struggling.
Okay, one question. Yeah, no, I was just trying to switch it on. Okay, my question is like, okay, it's a website where we have all these videos and uploaded stimulation, your videos there, right? Now, if I have a platform, I already have an in-house platform in my school. They are working with that, and I can directly import your files, your videos, and put it on my platform for my students. Could I do that the way I play from YouTube? So I play different videos. Can I do that?
So I won't be able to give directly to your platform, ma'am, but we can do something like a single sign-on or something, right? So that, your parents, teachers can access from your platform, right? Like the idea is teachers should be able to access from your platform. वो कर सकते हैं, right? My tech team can discuss with your tech team and then come to a conclusion on कैसे कर सकते हैं.
I couldn't get the meaning of your platform. See, I have, my teachers have their log, we have scheduled classes, teachers log in, and they deliver their PPTs and their videos, whatever they got from the YouTubes, they run it very comfortably. Now, what I understand is that you have a site where we sign in, and you must be having all these modules there, right? So teacher can design her, do her lesson plan, see which module she needs, and she can directly pick it up and run it from there. Could she do that? She could have a login ID and she picks up from there and does it. The way we have for Tata Edge, that's another platform.
Yeah, we can enable that.
Yeah.
We can enable that. We can discuss offline about.
We don't need a backup team or something. We can just have a sign in. Since you're giving 1 year free package, teachers can, comfortably, put it in the lesson plans and do the stimulations and that.
I think that's workable. That's actually workable. Yeah? That's not a very big thing. That's actually workable. Yeah. Sounds good? Yeah.
Yeah.
Supriya Jadhav. Dr. Supriya Jadhav, please ask your question.
Great evening, all the team members, IP and ma'am for getting...
Lovely voice, yeah? Not bad. This looks like a Star Wars.
It looks like a robot.
There's some problem with her thing. Okay.
It's like a lion roaring.
Yeah. So never mind. So we also had a 3D or a 4D impact on our session today. Not bad. So we won't charge you for that experience at the end of the day. So okay, guys. So I think Banu, we have got your question more or less answered, and I think you've been very kind enough to be answered. I mean, I think you took up all the questions largely, which I.
Hello, am I audible, G?
Yeah.
Now it's okay.
Okay. Yeah. Great evening, everybody. And I'm very sorry because of the technical thing. I wasn't audible over there.
No problem.
Yeah. Thank you, Gaurav ji, for getting Bhanu ji in, because in this pandemic situation, we all really wanted somebody to help us out for grade 6 to 12. My one simple question, ma'am, you said that from till grade 5th, you will be providing the platform after December. So will that be available in the same module that you're going to provide, or we will have to go with something else again?
No, ma'am, you will have it in the same module. We just add one more class, that's all. Right?
Okay, fine. That's it. Thank you so much.
Right now, in fact, what we want to do is we also want to give you an ability to add YouTube videos or other content that you want. In fact, we also have, like, you can add your own content and show it, right, to your students.
Great. So you don't want the teachers to be the puppet of the entire platform that they are opting for. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thanks, Gaurav ji.
धन्यवाद आप सभी का. और Bhanu, I think this is where we say goodbye to you largely. Thank you very much. I think you were wonderful. You took up all questions in the right spirit, and you are a very generous person. One year, had it been me, I would have not given it for 1 year for sure. So nevertheless, I think maybe you guys, I would say rather you have a product, which is a good product, to be very honest with you. But at the same time, I think for me, a key takeaway is that we should train our teachers, which is the key part of it. Very, very important. And I think we'll work out a plan after this call, possibly tomorrow or next week for that matter. And I am personally for sure that everyone here today, which was 125 people, 126 leaders, but then there are more, don't worry about it, would love to be a part of this platform. Hopefully, I can, for that matter, say hopefully, right? So thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for your time. Sharmila ji is acknowledging, fantastic. Anupama, all these are familiar faces. A lot of you I Pia is also there. Yeah. So thank you very much, guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you
you
very
so
much,
much.
everyone. And
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Before I go,
Take
before
care.
we leave, hold on.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
कल IPN मास्टर क्लास है, उसका जो लॉगिन आईडी या पासवर्ड का जो डिटेल सॉरी जो साइन अप है वो अभी शाम को 7 बजे आ जाएगा आपके पास. इंश्योर कि
Okay,
आपके
okay.
टीचर्स पे आ जाए. ठीक है?
Okay, okay. We were
Thank you very
waiting
much.
for that.
Thank
We
you
were
very
waiting
much.
for the
Thank you.
registration.
Thank you.
धन्यवाद.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Bhanu.
you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Gaurav. Thank you for the session.
Bye-bye.
Thank you all. Such a